Hi, I'm Dr.Rasya Dixit. I'm a dermatologist in private practice in Bangalore. I have been practicing from the last 18 years. We have all started the holiday season and everybody's traveling either short or long distances to reach their loved ones to spend a lovely 2023, and obviously we want to know about what is the skincare when we are on a long flight. When we are on long flights, remember, being inside the controlled environment of an aircraft, the skin is going to get very dehydrated because there is no humidity in the air inside an aircraft. So when we are getting started to go there, make sure that you are drinking enough water through the flight. Second, make sure that you carry with you a very gentle cleanser. Keep your makeup as minimal as possible. You can carry a thermal spring water spray which you can spritz on your face every few hours and seal it in with a moisturizer which has enough ceramides and hyaluronic acid to prevent the skin from getting dry and irritated. Make sure you're using a lip balm, again frequently in the perioral area as well as on the lips. You can use a moisturizer which is more hydrating in the eye area, because these areas which are the sensitive dry areas which keep moving of the eyelids around the mouth, they tend to get dehydrated faster. Make sure that your hair is being covered by either a silk or a satin scarf, otherwise there is a lot of static buildup because of the constant friction between your hair and the aircraft seat. The other important treatment to also remember is that most of our moisturizers and creams, they come in larger package sizes, but on the aircraft you are not allowed to carry more than 100 ml of liquid. So make sure that you buy travel sized or travel friendly packs, or you try to shift the product into a smaller bottle so you can carry it with you easily on your carry-on baggage and use these products frequently. But remember, whenever you are going to travel, you have to carry your sunscreen along with you, because once you disembark at your location, you have to put on the sunscreen before you get off the aircraft.